Hello students, as we are doing our block 6 in SST rights and duties, I hope that you all have understood what are the fundamental rights. Now in this video we are going to learn about some duties. Okay students, as the fundamental rights are given in the Constitution of India, same like that, fundamental duties are also given in the Constitution of India. Let's firstly revise what are the fundamental rights.
Right to equality. Everyone is equal. Right to freedom of speech. We can speak freely without fear. Right to follow any religion. Right to justice. Right to live and travel anywhere in the country. Right to choose our profession. Right to free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14.
Now it is time to understand what are fundamental duties. As I told you in the last video also, as we grow up, we have more duties at home and work and also for our country. Some duties that we have towards our country, like respecting our national anthem, national flag, protecting wildlife and environment, respecting women, staying together as Indians and fighting for our country if there is a war. These are our fundamental duties. It is important to do our duties because they help us become good person. Okay, now let's understand about the fundamental duties in deep.
Our duties. Duties always come along with rights. Some of our important duties as citizens of India are: we must follow the rules laid down by the Constitution. We must honor the national flag and national anthem. We must help to keep our country united. We must defend our country at the time of danger. We must protect our national property. We must protect our environment. We must treat all Indians as equals.
I hope students, all the fundamental duties are pretty clear to all of you. As our country India provide us some of the rights, so it is our duty to give respect in response. Yes, so what are the duties that we have learned in this chapter? We always respect our national belongings. For example, our national flag, national anthem and our national symbols. We must obey our constitution. We need to obey all the rules given in the constitution. We must stay united in the country. Means we should always stay together as Indians. We need to protect our country in times of war. We must remember the people who fought for our country. Yes, for example, our freedom fighters, we never forget their sacrifices. Okay, next, we must respect and love one another even if we belong to different religion or reason. See, we all are equal. Yes, so we should love each other. Next is, we must respect girls and women. There should be no discrimination or there should be no difference in girls or boys, in men and women. Yes, everyone should respect each other. We must protect our wildlife and our environment. We must protect our public transport and historical buildings from any damage. Yes, it is our duty that we need to take care of all the public transport and historical buildings, as they all are for us only. Yes, so we should protect them from damage. So students, these all are our duties that we need to follow. All these duties are called fundamental duties. Students, one more thing that you need to remember. If we only had rights but no duties, then we would have done what we felt like doing without thinking how it would affect others. For example, if we are free to play loud music, then it is our duty to make sure we should not disturb anyone. If we are free to worship any god, then it is our duty we should not stop others from worshipping different gods. Yes, if Constitution of India allow us to speak whatever we want to say, then it is our duty. We should not use the bad words. Yes, students. So I mean to say here that rights and duties always go together. Okay? One side we are having rights, then other side we should always remember our duties. Okay? I hope this is pretty clear to all of you. Now students, it is time to solve our volume sheet number 2, which is given on page number 35. It starts from the first question. Fill in the table with your partner's help. Students, as you are doing this question at your home and you are not having any partner, then you can fill this question by yourself only. The question is, you have to fill some duties that you have towards your home, towards your school and towards your country. Okay, I have written some of the duties. Okay, at home, for example, you have to water the plants, keep your room clean, you have to clean your table after the dinner, have to respect the grandparents, you have to help your mother in serving, and you have to complete your homework at time. Yes, same like that, you have some duties in your school also, like you have to come to school on time, you have to listen your teacher carefully, you have to wear school uniform daily, you have to help your classmates. Some duties that you have towards your country, like you have to stand whenever you hear or song the national anthem. You have to respect your national flag and you have to love all the citizens of your country. Yes, students. So here I have written some of the duties. But if you want to add or less any other duty, then you may do. Okay. Next question they are asking. Maya keeps her house clean. She cleans her house, collect the garbage and throw it on the road. Is she doing the right thing? If not, what should she do? Students, see, Maya is a woman. What she do? She clean her house nicely and then all the garbage she throw on the road. Is it good thing? No, it is not good thing, because our country is also like our home and it is our duty to keep our roads clean. Yes, so we may write this answer like this. No, she is not doing the right thing. She should not throw the garbage on the road. She should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay. Next question. Dharmesh is always in a hurry to reach his office. He breaks traffic rules to arrive on time. Is he doing the right thing? If not, what should he do? See, here is a boy, Dharmesh, and he always breaks the traffic rules. Is it good thing? No, it is not a good thing. Yes, being as a citizen of India, it is our duty that we need to follow all the rules. So we may write the answer like this. No, he is not doing the right thing. He must follow traffic rules. Now, the next question. Why should we do our duties? Students, why is it necessary to follow all the duties? Because when we follow all the duties, it makes us a good person. So we may write this answer. Duties are important for us because it teaches us to be responsible person. Okay? When we follow all our duties, we become a responsible person. Okay? I hope that this topic is pretty clear to all of you. Now the most important thing, your homework is you have to read page number 41 from your contained book and complete your volume sheet number 2. Okay? If you have any doubt, then ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.